Hey, what's up everyone? It's Sean, Unity Electric, San Luis Obispo, California. Just wanted to make a quick video of how I have set up the LED soffit lighting here at the modern hillside build. As you can see here, we're at finished drywall stage. They've got all the drywall up and taped. They still have to come back in texture, but I just wanted to give you a quick run through. We have some LED soffit lighting here in the kitchen and living area. We've got a TV room back there, and we have some in the master bedroom upstairs. So I want to give you a quick tour. This is going to be the kitchen area, and as you can see behind me up high, there's a soffit that goes around the entire room. All of my LED tape leads are run back to this utility closet. Here's the stub out location. I'm going to mount a little panel up here, or a little backboard with our transformer here. This is our AC leads for the switches. These are our low voltage leads for the LED tape. And from here, these low voltage runs are stubbed out in each corner of the soffit. There's one here, and actually there's two here. One here, I think I've got one in the middle here, one here, and one here. With the goal being that we're gonna have LED tape lighting up the entire perimeter of this kitchen living area. We also have a little TV viewing room, a little mini theater room with perimeter tape light as well. We can go back and check that out. All right, so here's our TV room soffit. Basically, TV is gonna go on this wall here, and behind me here, there's gonna be a seating area. And for accent lighting, we have leads, our low voltage leads stubbed out in the corners of the soffit here. All right, similar as you can see, the master bedroom, we have our wall switch here. And then that switch leg is wired back to our transformer location, which is going to be up high here. These are our switch legs, our low voltage leads, which are then stubbed out again into each corner of our soffit. So I've got one there, one over there, one in this corner, and then two in this corner right above the shot. And I will show you that again from this angle. So we have our LED tape is going to run around the perimeter of the room. And that is going to be our primary light source for this whole master bedroom space. So anyways, this should be texturing here this week and paint coming in, and as soon as I get power on, we'll show you kind of my setup for our drivers, our LED drivers. And I'm gonna do another video on actually mounting the channel in the soffit. We're gonna do some aimable channel from diode LED, so that should be really cool. It's gonna give us just like the best spread for lighting up this lid. So stick around, hit subscribe so you can check out the progress as we go, and hope to see you on the next video. Peace.